Okay, in the previous section, we have to discuss the application of the linked list, that is the polynomial representation using linked list. Next, how to add two polynomial using linked list. Next is how to multiply also. This is your task, how to multiply two polynomials. So here I have to discuss next applications. It's addition of and multiplication. Addition and multiplication of large number. Addition multiplication of large numbers using linked list. How to add and multiply large number using linked list. Before going to this, first you see how a large number is represented by using linked list. Okay, suppose a number is there, I am writing 946. Okay, this is a number is there. So how we represent by using this? Suppose 9462. Okay, 4 digit number are there. So what happen if you represent this large number using linked list? Each digit of this number contain a node. Okay, each digit having a node in a linked list. Each digit, suppose 9 is there, I am create a node with data part 9, and then link part will be stored the next address. Another, this is 4, next is 6, next is 2, and then null. That means each digit is created a node with a data part and link part. So if a digit, a large number is there, we have to represent by using linked list by this mechanism. Each digit having a linked list, each digit having a node. Okay, suppose two number are there, I am writing 946 and 84. If you multiply these two number using linked list, how to multiply? First you have to represent this number using linked list. First we represent this 9, 4 and 6. Okay, this is the first number, head 1. Then suppose another number is 8 and 4. Okay, this is head 2. Then these two number are represented by using linked list. Then after multiplication, what do you find? The result is 79464. Okay, so this large number is represented by this linked list, and after multiplication we find what is the output is this. So to doing this or multiplication of two large number using linked list, what are the rules follow? See here. Okay, two numbers are given two numbers represented by linked list. We have to represent by it linked list. Write a function that returns the multiplication of these two linked lists. Then we have to write a function that will be return the multiplication of the two linked lists. That means if the input is your, suppose 9 is a list contain 9, 4, 6, another list contain 8, 4, then what is your output? Output is your 7, 9, 4, 6, 4. That means two numbers we have to represent in the linked list, large number. Then we have to write a function that returns the multiplication. Okay. So the step is traverse both the list and generate a required numbers to be multiplied and then return the multiple value of the two numbers. You have to perform a traverse operation of the both the list and generate the required numbers to be multiplied and then return the multiplied values of the two numbers using a function. Okay, then see. Okay, so these are the steps how to generate a number from the linked list. First, to declare a variable num and initialize it with 0. Start traversing from the linked list. Add the value of the first node to the variable num. From the second node, multiply the variable num by 10 first and then add the value to the node to this variable. Repeat the step for until we reach the last node of the list. See how the step will be work. Okay, using these steps I am writing the algorithm, then showing the example so that we understand easily. So these steps, writing the algorithm, multiply two list. Okay, two list or two large number you have to multiply, and we have to send suppose first. Here this is the algorithm. Whenever you write the program, then here what happen, a pointer will be passed. So these are also the two pointers like a head. This first is the first pointer to the first list and second is the second pointer to the second list, that is a struct node type. Okay, then first point, declare a variable norm initial with 0. So I am declaring a variable norm. Okay, so this is from extracting or generate a number from a list. So here two lists are there, so here I am declaring two variable. Okay, so this is declaring a variable norm initialize to 0. Two variable are there, means two linked list are there. We have to how to generate the number to a linked list. So I am declaring two variables, suppose norm1 initialize to 0 and another norm2 is also initialized to 0. Okay, then what happen, I am writing the condition from the first. Suppose while your first node, that is suppose head, is not equal to null, then what the computation will be performed? Computation performed using the norm1 equal to norm1 into 10 plus first data. Then first will be your first link. Okay, so the definition part, I am not showing the definition part. Definition part is similar as struct node, it having a data part and also having link part, and two pointer are there, one is first and second. Okay, first is point to the first list and second is point to the second list, but each node having two part, data and link part. So see, suppose for the first, suppose for the two link list are there, suppose one is 946 number, I am representing this like 9, 4 and 6. Okay, this is the last node, means each node will be insert at the last, that is insertion of the last of a linked list. 9 first, then insert last 4, then 6. Then how to extract this? I am taking a norm1 equal to 0. Here suppose first is pointing to that node. Okay, I am taking norm1 equal to 0. Then I am checking first. First is store, what is, suppose this is the address 1000, this is address 2000 and this is address your 3000. So now first will be store that. Okay, then the condition is first not equal to null. Here first will be store the address. Then what is the norm? Norm1 into 10 plus first data. See, what is the norm? Then norm is updated to what? Norm1 is initialized to 0, that means 0 into 10 plus first data. What is the first data part? Data part is equal to 9. Okay, this is 0, 9, so it give first 9. Okay, then first will be first link. Then first will be store what? What is the link part? Will be store, that means first is now here. Okay, first is now here, will be store 2000. Okay, then next check first not equal to null. Yes, first not equal to null. Then norm will be updated. What is the norm will be updated? Norm equal to norm1. What is the norm1? Previously norm1 is 9. Then into 10 plus first data. What is your first is here? What is the data part? 4 is here. So here 4. Then what is the value? This is 90 plus 4. I am getting now 94. Norm1 is now 94. Okay, next check. Next first will be first link, then first will be here store 3000, that means first is now here. Okay, first is now store 3000. Now first is here. Then it check first not equal to null. Yes, first not equal to null. Then what is the norm1 value? Norm1 value equal to norm1 plus previously norm1 equal to 94. Then into 10 plus first data. What is the first data is 6. So it give what? 940 plus 6, that is your 946. Okay, now 946. Next first will be first link, then this first will be updated to what? Link, what is null value? So first will be now null. So next first not equal to null, this is not satisfied, now first equal to null. Then what is the norm will be returned? Norm will be 946. Okay, Similarly, then apply for this same algorithm, apply for the second list. Okay, the same logic here written. This is the pointer is second not equal to null, then norm2, I am taking another variable norm2 into 10, second data, then second equal to second link. Suppose for the second 84, suppose the number is 84, I am representing it like this in the linked list. Then this is your second, is store address of this, then second is not equal to null, suppose this is your address 500 and this is suppose 1500. So second is not equal to null, then norm2 equal to norm2 into 10 plus second data. So initialize norm2 equal to 0 into 10 plus what is the data here, 8. So it will be 8. Okay, this is 0, then total norm2 equal to 8. Next, second equal to second link, second will be updated to here, store the address of the 1500. Then again norm2 will be updated, what, norm2 into 10, what is norm2 here now, 8 into 10 plus second data, what is the data here, 4. So what is the value, give 84, that is 84. Okay, so now we have to find what is norm1 will return 946 by using the logic, and norm2 is return 84 in this logic. Okay, then what happened, you have to perform the multiplication, that is the function is return norm1 into norm2. Okay, the overall function I am return norm1 norm2, or you have to multiply it and store a variable and return this. Okay, so this multiply two list, we have to extract it norm1 first variable using this logic. Similarly, second large number using this logic, and perform this multiplication and return it. Okay, so this is your multiplication of two large number using linked list. For more codes, we have to follow the links geek for geeks to find out the codes.